Hi beautiful. In today's vlog, you'll be coming with me to my second ever event with Alafia. I actually tried out a new recipe for these samples that I did for the girls, and it was my first time making them, so I was a tad bit nervous. I was contacted by the host of the Black Girl Project to speak as part of their panel and more about my brand, and the event was based on women's health and menstrual health, particularly for Black women, and I just love any and everything women-based, women-led. I got everything ready on the morning of, which probably wasn't very smart because I was low-key tight for time and had anxiety about public speaking, but I was also really excited to see the girls and have them try my recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Bye! Actually, to cool the sticker, guys. Oh, I didn't show you the update on my website. This is what it looks like. Be created with wellness, first 3 supplements ever. A video of me. Yeah, I like it. I need to still do the domain and emails, but I have time. Doing my drinks is actually taking quicker than less time than I thought. And now that I'm thinking about it, probably should have put the stickers on first. Hi, I made an order for stickers, I think on Monday, and I wanted to know if they're ready for me to collect.
I can have a look for you. What name are those there?
Abiola.
Alright, bear with me. 1 second, I'm just going to pop you on hold.
Alright, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. I collected my stickers. I have so many. Maybe a bit too many. These are my stickers. I'll show you them up close. Well, this is one in my hand up close. I got the inspo from this juice brand on Pinterest. This is obviously not gonna be like my actual branding for my juices, but for this event, it's the vibe that I'm going for. And I made a little mistake. I'm not gonna lie, I made a little mistake with the labels. As you can see, they're just slightly too long for the bottles, and I thought I made them short for it to end like exactly where the square thing, exactly where the square ends, but they're slightly too long, so they curve over the top and they curve over the bottom, and because it's like a weird shape, it kind of like crinkles, so it's not as clean, which was kind of pissing me off, but there's honestly nothing I can do about it now, so I just kind of have to like be okay with it. I know for next time, just make it smaller. Even if you think it's small, just make it even smaller. I'm ready for the event. My Uber is 3 minutes away. I had to burp the Uber to not cancel because we're going kind of far. Well, we're going to Coventry, and I don't know. I had to burp the Uber anyways. And I don't know how my makeup is looking. It's looking like I have a lot of blush on, but yeah, I do have a lot of blush on, but whatever. This is my outfit. Ooh, I'm wearing this Zara set. Well, everything I got from PLT, terrible, besides the shoes. I am wearing the shoes, but the full set is Zara. It's very, very cute. And I'm going to wear my leather trench with it because it's raining and I don't want this to get wet. But yeah, this is the vibe.
I like the way you screw your face, speak with me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get no way out to it. Shame and I can't blame myself for loving you. You go with me all that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you.
Yeah. Oh, the body is a bit weird. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more blended as well.
Nice?
It's like one place.